In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install IPVanish on Windows 10. So let's just begin. Now you can see we have IPVanish official platform. Make sure to head over to IPVanish.com. This should be your very first step. Once you are here, you can see we have app section on top of our screen, and from here we have this option of Windows right over here, as you can see. And once you simply click onto this option like this, you can see Windows, and something like this is going to be showing up. So yeah, now the next step is to download and install your IPVanish on your Windows 10 device. You can see it is available for Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well. So you can simply download this using this option, and that's how you can download it as well and install it as well. So of course it is going to be automatically be installed once you open the file which is downloaded. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.